Hello, welcome back. Just for a little chat while I'm clearing the workshop out. We're trying, getting there slowly, but you know how it is, you pull more stuff out and then you start fiddling with it and it's just taking forever. But the Westwood's in, so I can start on that. Probably tonight or this afternoon actually. But yeah, I've got a bit more space around it. But, I've still got bits everywhere. I've still got to sort the lift out. It looks a lot worse on camera, I can see it even looking like this. I've got a pile of crap down here to sort out. I have actually cleaned all this off once, but I've had it, you know how it is, you add more stuff to it and you end up filling up the workshop again. Mirror for the van, for instance. Oh, a good looking bloke in there. Fat bastard, but you know, good looking. Yeah, I've just been testing. I've pulled these coils out and I thought I'd test them with the meter. And one's not, this bottom one is coming up with nothing. This is coming up about 1.1, 1.3, 1.130 I should say. But the worrying thing is I've just tried it on the Charlene's engine and that's coming up about sort of 140, so I'm looking for the other meter at the moment to try, because I don't know if it's my meter. It's pretty good normally, but yeah, I think they're the coils off of the V-twin 18 horsepower, or the of the 20 horsepower, or one of each, I'm not sure. But so I'm just looking for the meter. Tested in there, but cameras. No, I've no idea. I've looked in the other shed. You know, it's like you put something down. I don't normally use the other meter because this one's pretty good. But or the tester, so. But yeah, it's getting there. I've got to do the boxes. I've actually got my parts wash, so I can use that. Okay, I've got the radio CD player on there at the moment. But that's what I've been listening to. A bit of Psycho. I've got the radio down there as well, but they don't play a lot of decent stuff on the Boozy Essex. So. Yeah, so slowly getting room to do this. As you can see, I've put Charlene underneath all this rubbish recycling and rubbish bags and stuff at the moment because I'm moving stuff. But I've got that there, so I can work on that quite easily. I can work on there. I've got my saw still set up so I can still cut metal. I need to take the engine off of there, put that out of the way. That's something I've got to do, make some engine racks. And then clear the toolboxes off, clear the benches off, and we're ready to go. Well, I say that, I can get going, like I say, today. And yeah, start to work on stuff, because like I say, we haven't done many videos lately. That vice down there, I went and picked it, to try to pick it up the other day to move it, and I got about an inch off the ground, and then yeah, that was enough. I tried it a couple of times, but oh, I can't live. It can stay there for now. I've got them vices there to restore as well. I don't know if you can see the two little vices there. One's a Clark's one and that's a Russian one, I think, comes from Russia. So yeah, I had some trouble with my compressor. Silly little thing, I think it's just vibrated loose. Went to move it, all the rubbers fell off it, the rubber legs, the wheels fell off of it. But I don't know if you can see it because it's a bit dark in the corner, it's been black as well. It's like a film of oil over it, so it's obviously been breathing a bit of oil. Was a bit of a pain in the arse. It ain't very old, it hasn't done a lot. It still smells new when you start it up, and it's not overfilled with oil. But yeah, I've got to sort Louis' box out in the corner, and then I've got to sort my two boxes out. What are you doing, Marlo? Hey? Hello, come in here. Back in the house. Good boy. Yeah, you good boy. It's just started raining again outside. You had enough now, have you, Marlo? Yeah. Right, I'm going to have to leave it there because I've got trouble with my camera. So I can show you a few more bits, but yeah, so the camera's playing up. Can't turn it on and off on the screen. I've just brought it indoors, been fiddling with it for about an hour and a half. Yeah, it's a bit worrying because can't really do videos without the camera, so I'm not sure what it's doing, what it's playing up. It's just been a bit of a pain in the arse. I get it sorted and then it just sort of resets itself to where it's resetting itself to. I do factory resets and it's not altering it or nothing like that. I'm just holding it in my hand, so it's not very good, you know what I mean, but it is what it is. We'll sort it out. So anyway, take it easy and I'll see you next time. Remember, it's okay not to be okay. See you soon.